Hi, my name's Dominic, 20 years old, 5'5", about 235, 240 pounds right now. Today we did shoulders and back here at Powerhouse Gym in Jackson. We did Smith machine shoulder press. Pretty much worked up to just one heavy set of 8 to 10 reps, so we got up to 275. And then from there we went on to superset of side raises and front raises seated. Did 3 sets of 10 with 40 pounds. And then we went on to reverse pec deck. We did 3 sets of 12 to 15 there. And then from there we went on to cable side raises. We just did 2 quick sets there to get more blood into the side delts. And then we went on to back. And for back, we started with T-bar rows. Just worked up to a heavy set. And then we went on to one-arm rows where we did 2 sets of 8 there. And then after one-arm rows, we went up to seated cable rows. We did 2 sets of 8. And then we finished with cable pullover. And we also did some ab work for once. So I think there'll be a clip in there of me trying to fit into the ab machine. But all my training, I pretty much work up to like 1 heavy set or just 2 heavy sets, kind of like Dorian Yates style, of like 8 reps. The rest I just count as warm-ups.
So how was your rebound after juniors?
My rebound was really good. From my last show, Junior Nationals, put on a ton of weight but stayed really lean, and my strength got like really, really, really high. I remember in like 6 weeks I added 95 pounds to my bench press, which was pretty crazy. I just strong in everything, like breaking PRs like 3 weeks after my show, so I was really happy with that. I was able to eat a ton of food and grow as much as I can, definitely put on a good amount of size.
Did Justin have you take any time off from the gym, bud, or no?
No, actually right after the show I got back into the gym. And I trained pretty intensely for like 6 to 7 weeks. And then I would say like these last like 4 weeks, to be honest, I've been pretty burnt out of training and dieting, so I've just been almost doing a deload where I'm training, but I'm not in here killing myself like I do in prep. So I'm slowly starting to get back into it, just trying not to get like super burnt out before I start another prep next year. So I'm training sometimes only 4 days a week or 3 days a week, but now this will be the first week I'm back up to 6 days a week training, so feeling pretty motivated and ready to get back to it.
Are you doing cardio now, bud, or no?
Yeah, I do cardio 3 times a week for 20 minutes. I just walk on the treadmill at like 2.5 miles an hour, which for me is really fast. I start sweating like crazy, so I usually just do that first thing in the morning, fasted, and before work, and then that's about it for cardio. This makes my metabolism faster so I can eat more food.
Would you have great metabolism anyway?
Yeah, I can't really ever eat enough, so.
How about what's diet like now, bud, with your off-season stuff?
Off-season diet's a little bit less than what I was eating in my post-contest rebound. We actually got up to 8 meals a day at the most. And I was just eating like a frickin' machine. We got up to like 1,000 grams of carbs a day, and then like 300, 350 grams of protein. We did that for like 6 weeks, and I just freaking blew up. But now I'm to the point in my off season where my hunger is pretty low, so I do 6 meals a day. And then for each meal, I aim for 40 grams of protein and 100 grams of carbs. So I get about 600 grams of carbs a day, which isn't a whole lot for me. And then 40 grams of protein per meal. So right about 1 gram per pound of body weight. And I pretty much just eat beef, protein shakes, and egg whites for my protein sources. And then rice and oatmeal. Same stuff I eat for prep. So I eat the same stuff year round. Doesn't really change.
Any plans for next year, bud? Or no?
Yeah, we're going to do junior nationals again. I didn't really have a good showing this year, I thought. 4th place was pretty disappointing. But during prep, I was pretty burnt out. Even during prep, it was a really hard prep mentally and physically. So I was just excited for it to be over with. My training wasn't as good as it was when I won teen nationals, so definitely will take some time off before my next show prep so I can like remotivate myself, just so I don't get burnt out during prep and I can enjoy the process more. Hopefully do very well at junior nationals. I'll win my weight class, and then we'll do USAs, and then depending how I do at USAs, I'll probably do North Americans too.
Now this will be your first full year working with Justin too, right? So
Yeah, I've been working with Justin for exactly a year now.
Justin Harris,
Yeah, Justin Harris.
If you watch any of Don's videos, I would think you know that. But
Right. I've been working with Justin for a year now. In less than a year, he actually put on 21 pounds of stage weight on me. So I went from like weighed in at, when I won teen nationals, at 172, and then at junior nationals I was weighed in at 193 and was on stage at 196. So I put on a ton of size in less than a year. So it was like a 6-month off season at the most.
yeah, so this would be good. This would be a long, full year. Did you hired him right after junior, or I'm sorry, after teen nationals?
Yeah, I hired him about a week after teen nationals. We started working together. A lot of people think he helped me for teen nationals. Just wanted to clarify that Justin did not coach me for teen nationals. So I have a lot of people asking that. It's really annoying. I started working with Justin after teen nationals. So it's been about a year now, and I've made tremendous progress with him. So definitely staying with Justin. Probably going to stay in the light heavyweight class. I'm just not really motivated to make the push to eat consistently enough to be a heavyweight. So I think light heavy at my height will be a better option right now. But I'll be more competitive.
Yeah, because how tall are you, bud?
Yeah, 5'5", so even at 198 on a 5'5" frame is still a lot of weight. So I'd like to thank my training partner and girlfriend, Taylor, who's over here, and my boss who owns the gym, Mark Jones, here at Jackson Powerhouse. Make sure you guys stop in. We're on West Michigan Ave, right downtown Jackson. Come get a workout. Come see me. I'd like to thank Jeff, of course, for filming my video. This is like probably we've done at least a dozen videos together. Yeah, we've done quite a few. And of course, my coach, Justin Harris, the knowledge behind all the hard work. So.
Good deal, man. Well, we will catch up with you in a few months. Off season's going, everybody.
Sounds good.